Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Innovations. Today I'll be reviewing the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, a popular moisturizer for both body and face made especially for dry skin. I've been using it for a while now, mostly on my body, and I've found it to be really helpful for keeping my skin soft and hydrated throughout the day. Let's get into what makes it great and how it works. The best part of this cream is how well it hydrates. It's got hyaluronic acid, which helps lock in moisture, and MVE technology, which gives 24-hour hydration. I've noticed that after putting it on, my skin feels soft and stays moisturized for hours. Even when I use it before bed, my skin still feels fresh and hydrated in the morning. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream also has 3 essential ceramides. Ceramides are fats that naturally exist in the skin and make up about half of the skin's protective layer. They help keep moisture in and keep the skin barrier strong. This is important for dry and sensitive skin because it helps stop the skin from becoming flaky or itchy. The cream has a rich, smooth texture, but it doesn't feel heavy or oily on the skin. It absorbs quickly, so I can put it on and go about my day without that sticky feeling that some creams leave. I like using it especially on my body because it makes my skin feel soft and healthy without feeling too thick or oily. One thing I really like is that it's safe for different skin types and doesn't contain any fragrance or parabens. It's also allergy tested and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. You can use it on your face, body, or even dry hands, and it's gentle enough for sensitive skin, so it's even suitable for people with eczema. CeraVe works with dermatologists on their products, so you can trust that it's good for different skin needs, like dry, sensitive, or even acne-prone skin. I like that I can trust it for my dry skin, especially as winter approaches. To sum it up, I would definitely recommend CeraVe Moisturizing Cream if you need a cream that deeply hydrates, supports your skin's natural barrier, and is safe for daily use on your face or body. It's been a great solution for my dry skin, keeping it soft and comfortable all day. Thanks for watching. If you've used CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, I'd love to hear your thoughts. This product link is in video description, so buy it from Amazon and use it. And don't forget to subscribe to Digital Innovations for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.